How to fix if your Dell laptop won't turn on. So, the first step is to disconnect the AC adapter or power cord if you have any. After that, step 2, remove the battery. Again, on step 3, press and hold down the power button for 15 to 20 seconds to drain all the residual power. Now step 4, reconnect the AC adapter and battery that you have removed. Try to turn on your Dell laptop. If the residual power was causing the problem, your laptops will work properly now. And that's how you can fix if your Dell laptop is not turning on. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.